guys, we purchased the Redmi 8 smartphone from Flipkart. So I'll just open and do the unboxing for you guys. Hi, this is Redmi 8. So there are three variants are available. So Redmi 8, Redmi Note 8 and Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the basic version is the Redmi 8. It costs us 7,999. So this is a Flipkart price, but the actual MRP is 10,999. But I see in Amazon it's again mentioning is 10k. So if you guys are preferring to buy this, you can go for Flipkart. I see there is some discount in that. It's really a budget phone, so it's having very good configurations within 8,000 range. So it has 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and also it has dual cam, and it's having octa-core processor, 5000 mAh battery, and dual cam, and it has face unlocking and fingerprint and all. So having all these features within 8,000, definitely it's a worth, and definitely it's a budget phone. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what all items in it. And you will see the carton box here, one carton box. It has the SIM tray opener. You will see the pin here, and this the case is comes with it. So this is a plastic case. It's a clear case, I guess, but yeah, I think looks this is very good. Actually, it's having good quality, so material having sufficient thickness. So if you are not immediately buying any new case, also fine, you can still use this for some time. So this is very good quality. And and also we have the warranty card and other guide with this one. So you will see these three items in this carton box. Then we have the phone actually. So this is a phone, and you will see the it's a emerald green color body. So it looks very good actually. So let's see what else we have it here. So it has the charge USB cable. This is USB Type C cable, and this is the charger we have it. So these are the items we have it in the box. So you have the charger and the Type C cable, phone, and this is a case, white case, and we have the warranty card and other guide, and we have the SIM tray opener. So about the phone, so you see that it's a emerald green color. So this is good looking, and it's having good reflections over here. So it's having good finishing body, and it's a plastic body only. So weight is normal weight. So come to the camera. So there are dual camera. So you will see 12+2 megapixel, and we have the fingerprint part here. Then we have the LED light. Then come to the front cam is 8 megapixel. Then as usually have the power switch on button. Then we have volume control. Then come to the back side, you will see the speaker. Then we have the charging port. Then we have the earphone connector port. Then we have the SIM tray. We have it, and we have the inbuilt mic. So these are the things with this body. It comes with there are 4 colors. One is black, then emerald green, which is the same this one. Then we have other ruby red color, and we have one more sapphire blue. So these are the main colors Redmi 8 has it. But I feel this also very good color, and it's a good finishing and good reflections. Let's just switch on the mobile. Let's see that this is a switch on button. So it looks like this. If you go to the home page, so this is a home page here, and you will see the menu of many applications. And settings. So let's go and check in the about phone. So Redmi 8. Storage is 64 GB, and all other specs. Let's see the specs here. So Redmi 8 is the model, and the RAM is 4 GB. Then we have the CPU is octa-core 2.0 GHz, and internal storage is 64 GB, and it's available 48 GB right now. So other configuration, other settings are as usual, so normal Redmi phone applications. Let's try the wallpapers. Thanks. So these are the options are available in built. Themes.